Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. 8th video of traditional Turkish breakfast varieties. Again, in this video you will see the sweet breakfast varieties. What do Turks eat at breakfast? This question led to a series of videos. First, a different pancake for breakfast. It is a mixture of normal pancakes, eggs, milk and salt. Grated salami is added to the mixture and the pancakes are prepared in the cooking pan. A little liquid sunflower oil is added into the teflon pan. It is expected to warm up. After heating, the pan is added a scoop mixture. Tilt left and right to cover the whole pan. One side is fried for 30 seconds and the other side is turned and cooked. Very simple and delicious breakfast, pancakes. Dried foods are very important in Turkish cuisine. A video about this will be prepared. Dried foods are preferred at breakfast, for example dried grapes. Turkey is derived from medium and large yellow grapes or raisins. Grape production is sufficient in the country, raisin price is also appropriate. French fries with a size of 9 by 9 will be made. I think you should avoid frozen potatoes. Machine will be used to chop fresh potatoes like potatoes sold in markets. Business owners can also facilitate their work with such a chopping machine. Chopper is fixed on the bench and stands very robust. Peeled and washed potatoes placed in chopper bowl. Turn the machine one turn and the potatoes are chopped to the same size. At least this way, I think healthier. Frozen potatoes contain more fat. Tomatoes for breakfast. Cucumbers are freshly taken, are grown in the gardens of some houses. Chopped potatoes and prepares to fry. Adding plenty of oil into a large frying pan, 10 liters. After the oil is warmed, the potatoes are added without water. If you are not careful, oil may overflow and fire may occur. These situations occurred. After fried potatoes, green peppers are added all the way, cooked for 1 minute. Add paper into tray and get rid of excess oil. After 1 minute, the materials are removed without oil. French fries with fried pepper to be served. Ketchup, mayonnaise, red paprika and salt are added. Besides the French fries, cold juice will be good, apricot juice can be. This is delicious, but it is useful to consume this kind of food in moderation. Standard breakfast bread, white bread. Turkey is the kind of bread you can find all the cities and grocery stores. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside like sponge. This bread is made with yeast and 250 grams of dough. Need to prepare a separate video on the different kinds of bread. Healthy sweet breakfast variety, tahini and molasses. It will be very useful if you can feed your children. Tahini is obtained with sesame oil, one of the healthiest oils. Original grape syrup is used, it is enough to add 2 or 3 spoons. Add some walnuts on it, and ready to serve. Let's see what's on this breakfast menu. Healthy dessert type tahini and molasses. Tomato slices. Brown olives with olive oil. Cow cheese. Fresh black grapes. Tahini halva with cocoa. Salami pancakes. Traditional black tea is hot drink. White bread. French fries and peppers. Apricot juice as cold drink. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. You can help the videos to enter the trends with the rating button. See you in a new video, goodbye.